This is the video on the trip game. Here in the blue note box it says minimize the time to go from city 1 left to city 2 right. Well, here is city 1 on the left of the map, and down here in the lower right of the map is city 2. The time to go from one city to another city is determined by the distance and speed limit color of the road. Well, we see here from city 1 to city 37 there's a purple road of a certain distance, and over here we see purple is 75 miles per hour, and each of the colors has a different speed limit. You can advance the test solution by clicking one of the blue cities. It can advance from city 1 and city 2. Well, here we have two blue cities that are advanced from city 1, and down here we see two blue cities that are advancing the trip from city 2. Well, let's advance the trip. Well, first I'm going to go on this fast road to 37, so I'll click it. Now I'm going to slant over here to 6. Here's a fast road to 39. A fast road to 40. Oh, a fast road to 3. And oh, I can go down here to 16 and I'll be right in line for 2 here. Well, you can advance from city 2 by going to 33. And then I can connect the two by going to city 10. Well, now we see up here the time is 1:62. Here are the cities, and down below them is the time to get between the cities, and the total time of 1:62. Removing a city allows you to change the solution. Delete as many red cities as you need, then click blue cities. Well, when I look at my solution down here, I see that here's a nice slanted diagonal here I could take. So I'm going to take away city 16, and I'm going to go to city 7 instead. Oh, now I've lowered my time to 139. Next it says there are 100 games, 0 to 99. Well, here's where the game number is entered. First you have to put the cursor there. You'll see it blinking. Now I could change this to any one of the other games from 0 to 99. Now I'm going to click Next. When the test solution is not complete, the test time will be highlighted in red. For example, if I would take city 7 away, all of a sudden the time is highlighted in red. So I'll put city 7 back again to complete it. To get the dynamic programming solution, click the green box. Afterwards, re-click it for the test solution. Well, here is the green box. It says, click for dynamic programming solution. I'll click it. Oh, notice all the red movement. And it's going to stop as soon as it got to city 2. It was advancing by time. It says the dynamic programming solution time is 1:32. And here are the cities that it went through. Now, it says up here in the note box, you will see the solution advance from city 1 to city 2. When done, the solution will be displayed at the top. And here we see it, and it says it's 1:32. Well, our solution was 1:39. Oh, we slanted all the way down here, and instead it went over to 22. Well, I can click back for the testing solution, and I can say, oh, I don't want to go to 10, I want to go to 22. Now I also have the solution of 132, the same as the dynamic programming solution. Well, that is how you do the trip game. Now I'm going to click in the red stripe under Program to see the program. Here on the left is the main program for trip. Over here in this box, it says that the main program is trip and uses dynamic programming, and subprogram 1 is called build the trip problem, and subprogram 2 is called testing. Up here at the top in these blue boxes, the first one says execute the application. That will take us back to playing the game. And there's save the application, create a new application, create a new subprogram. The other ones here are for copying data within this particular application or from another application into this application. Alright, down below here are the brown boxes, which are tools for making an application, that is a P-code program. Listing the values in the text, doing comments, captions, information about ASCII and colors and patterns, things that will be used in making an application. Then below there, under Build App, there are videos that take you from creating your application all the way through making an HTML file for your application. Below that, there's an app you can run that will show you how the actions work. And under here, in this first column, is labeled actions. These are all P-code actions. Then below there, there's a list of HTML5 P-code YouTube videos about instruction lines and values and patterns and fonts and pictures and sounds, things you need to know to build an application. Well, I'm going to go back to the application by clicking on Execute the Application. Here it is. Now, below it, on this line that says Start App, you can change this application any way you like through the P code and save it to one of the letters A through T. Then this is where you start it. You can come here after you saved it in programming and run it here. Below that, there's a list of HTML5 P-code apps, bakery, blackjack, and all kinds of apps from which you can copy instructions. Alright, this is the end of the video for the Trip game.